what's cracking? It's the homie Ice Cube. You know what I mean? I want to give a shout out to Operation Chicago movie trailer. Looking pretty good, you know, so look out for that. This Halloween, beats so dope, you know what I mean? Just next time I'm in Chicago, I might have to come through there and check it out. So it's your boy Ice Cube. Check out Operation Chicago. It's coming through. It's Halloween. The movie trailer. Insane beats, dope. Make sure you check out Operation Chicago. This your homeboy Ice Cube. Yeah. Always and forever. I love Chicago anyway. You know what I mean? I did my barbershop movies there. My homie Common from Chicago. So I got fond memories of Chicago. George Daniels is my man. So Operation Chicago. Check out the movie trailer. And then the movie will be out around Halloween. Yeah. Show me Ice Cube.
One of the main problems we have in Chicago is we have to start checking our so-called black politicians and watch out for what Malcolm X taught us.
In those days he was called a house nigger. And that's what we call him today, because we still got some house niggas running around here.
I mean, who the fuck are we kidding? Our so-called black officials and state puppet politicians mainly got their job because of the color of their skin. The man let them win office, so it says they're in charge of that government office, but they're not really running that office. They're just a poster child that might as well read at the bottom, house nigga.
In those days he was called a house nigger. And that's what we call him today, because we still got some house niggas running around here.
What's even more fucked up is they hired these house niggas to try to control us. Oh yeah, it's true. Hey, we're gonna put you on TV. We're gonna dress you up. We're gonna give you $100,000 a year. But you have to go on camera and read this script that we wrote for you and your fucking people. Okay? Cause it would look real bad if the man read from the script. So we need you to read this bullshit. This way they can't say it's racist. Now go talk to your fucking people and control them. Okay? House nigga says, okay, I don't care what it says, I'll read anything. Hey house nigga, I wanna talk to you directly. When you're at home with your son, what do you tell him when he says, hey dad, why are all these black kids dying in Chicago? Are you doing anything about it? Well son, I can't do anything about it. It looks like I'm in control and in charge of this office, but I'm not. I'm just for show. Don't they call that a house nigga? Yup.
In those days he was called a house nigger. And that's what we call him today, because we still got some house niggas running around here.
Whoa.